everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you might know, I went to the farm today for strawberry picking and I just had a shower because I was dirty, so don't mind the hair. But these strawberries over here, we can use them for, these are the ones we picked. We can use them for pancakes, cereal, and eat them fresh. Over here, we're going to freeze them and make sorbet. We have a really easy machine and I'm going to do a separate video for that, so stay tuned. Over here, I'm going to show you how to make fresh strawberries and a strawberry slushy. So this slushy, it doesn't have exact measurements. You can just do it to fit your liking. So in here we have some strawberries, water, lemon, and also we have some manuka honey, or you can use any honey you want. You just put the honey, you can just put as much as you want or as little as you want. Depends on how you like it. We also have some lemon in here. If you don't want it too sour, then you can just add a little bit, but if you want extremely sour, you can just add like a whole bunch. Depends on what you like. So first, you're gonna blend it up, and then you're gonna put it in your slushy machine, so let's go. So first, we're gonna blend it up. Okay, so now that's done blending up, you're going to put it in your slushy machine thingy or case thing. Okay, so you're just going to unscrew the top and just pour it in. And yes, all of it. We'll just clean that up later. Okay, now we're gonna slide it into our machine. I'm just gonna pull this up for you guys to see. So we're just gonna slide it in. If you don't know how to use this machine, just slide it in like this. And when you twist it to your left, it's just gonna go up for you. So, oops. Okay, so now you want to add some ice. Okay, so this ice has been melted a little bit, but that is okay because we can use it. I think that's about enough ice for now. Okay, now let's just put the top in and turn it on. And now wait for it to become a slushy. So now we need to add some more ice. It's okay if you have to keep stopping to put the ice in because you need the ice in order to make it a slushy. So. Oh, 2 ice cubes. Okay, 1 more. And let's turn this thing up. Okay guys, so I just want to say, I like this machine better because if you put it straight into the blender, it's gonna become foamy and that's not a slushy. So let's do it again. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, when you use this machine, put it on slush because you're making a slushy, obviously. So you want it like chunky, but not too chunky. Snow, it like makes it really fine. So make sure to turn it to slush. I'm stopping again because when you see like the machine can barely spin it anymore, then that means when you know it is perfect. Okay, let's turn it on. Like right now, after this ice, I'm gonna stir it up. But when you see it like this, you should stop. like we have to stop now. So, like, okay, guys. So I'm gonna use this spoon to stir it, like up. Just push it down. Okay, now you know your slushy is ready. So, just remove the spinner thingy. And now we just pour it in here in a fancy bowl. Now that's a slushy. Okay, guys, now to add some strawberry toppings. Okay, so I'm gonna use a strawberry and a knife. Be very careful when you're using that. If you need help, use an adult. Ask an adult. So just like cut it simply in half like that. Not too deep. Just slide it in. Hold on, I need a little more deep. So you're just going to slide it on, just like that. And your slushy is done. Let's try it. So good, but also cold. So if you guys like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bells for my latest videos. Like I said, if you want to know about that ice sorbet machine, then you should watch the next video. So bye guys, see y'all next time, and enjoy your slushy.